Foods, the most powerful weapon for weight loss. Many people believe that they get fat thanks to a scarcity of exercising, but this can be not the case. In fact, you set on weight because you do not eat the correct foods at the correct time daily. For instance, if you like eating foods at late night, you may definitely gain more weight fast. This can be because your body only burns some calories while you're sleeping, that the extra calories are stored as body fat. In fact, if you alter your bad eating habits and consume more healthy foods at the correct time of the day, you may be able to change state fast. Your fat burning process is depend upon your metabolism, and if you would like to burn some fat, you simply must do something to spice up it. More and more research have shown that if you eat more small healthy meals throughout the day, you may speed up your metabolism and keep it running high. So if you would like to lose pounds quickly, you must add more healthy foods into your plate and wear away at least 4 times on a daily basis. If you utilize calorie shifting diet method, you may get slim faster. This can be a brand new technique which tells you the way to eat the correct foods to change state. If you're uninterested in using fat burning pills and need to urge thin fast and naturally, you'll be able to try it out because it is the most well-liked weight loss technique available today. In conclusion, food isn't our enemy, and you'll be able to raise your metabolism and simply achieve your weight loss goal by eating the certain foods at the correct time.